Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing website. Now before, let me show you around. Okay, so I'll first refresh the page here. Okay, I hope it's amazing. Now let's go down. Very beautiful website. Okay, and this is the recent projects, so you can just go through some of the projects. Hope you can see that. Okay, so I can close that by clicking that and go down here. So that's my team members. Okay, we have the recent posts, latest posts. Okay, and you can see some of the posts, and there's the footer. Okay, so I have my picture here, but there's not my picture. Okay, and then also that is the contact form where you can see my location. Okay, here I'm supposed to put my number here, but and we have a form here where you can fill the form to get in touch with me. Okay, so if I want to go up, let me close this. I can just click here and it will take me back. Okay, good. And this is amazing. It's a very beautiful website. Let me refresh the page again. Yeah, I know. So I'm going to show you how to design this amazing website. Let's go to about section or about page, and this is about page. Okay, so you can learn more about us, and we have the team member here, and then up to the footer. Okay, and okay, so I can click on that and go to services. This is the most interesting part. Okay, so the services page here, I offer 3 services. Okay, that is the web design, SEO, and mobile application. Okay, so and that's that. Okay, so in case you want to learn more or read more about web design as my services, you can click here, read more, and you get this pop-up. Okay, and you can just go down. Okay, just to read more about web design. Okay, and this is the web design page. The same thing applies to the other pages, and I'm going to show you. I will just click here to close that. Look at how it opens and closes. Let's look at it again. Very beautiful one. And if I click here, it will just close it, and that's amazing. Okay, let's go to portfolio, and this is the portfolio page. You can just go through my project work. Okay, very simple. Let's go down here. So all the resources will be given to you for free. Blog page, so you can read our latest blog. Then we have the contact page where you can reach out to us. Okay, and that's my contact number and other stuff. Okay, I made a mistake. The phone number here is 0, but I made a mistake. So okay, this is just demo website. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create this amazing website, and I know you love it. Okay, by the way, if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Amokenes. I'm the founder of eReader Guitars and eReader Host. Now let me take you to my official website. In case you don't know much about us, you can just come to our official website, that is eReader.com, and this is our official website. This is my picture. So if you don't know me, you can see that that's my picture. Okay, I look amazing. Okay, so good. I'm not here to talk about myself. I'm here to show you how to design this amazing website. Okay, so let me close that. Okay, good. Now to design this website, you need 2 basic important things. Okay, and that is domain and hosting. Okay, the question is, what is domain and hosting? Okay, take domain as an address. Okay, good. So that is the address to your website, and then the hosting is take it as your online store. Okay, or a space on the internet. Okay, so we need these 2 things in order to build this beautiful website. Okay, so let me show you where you can get the cheapest and affordable hosting and domain name. Okay, good. eReader Hosts, we don't just design websites. We are that's a web design agency. We also have our own web hosting company that's we manage our clients and also our students and anyone who need a space to create their website. Okay, so let me take you to our hosting platform, and that is eReader Host. Okay, the link is below this video, and that is eReader Host. So let's go down here. I'm going to show you some of the packages that we have here. We have the starter, professional, business, and premium. Okay, and I mean, it's so amazing, very affordable. You won't get it anywhere. Okay, so right now I don't want to, you can just go through it, read through it. Okay, but this is the most attractive one, and I really want to go for this one. So right now I'll just click here, start now. That's the premium one, and I have coupon for all of you. Okay, right now you can just go register a new domain in case if you don't have a domain. Let me show you how to do it. Let's say this is my domain name. I'm not asking you to enter Ereda host. Ereda is my brand name. Make sure you go with your own brand name. Okay, so if you want to buy a domain, make sure you have to use your brand name. Okay, good. And then I have to select the extension that I want, .com, .net, .org. For instance, .com is 170 Ghana cedis. Yeah, and then let's see, .xyz is 60 Ghana cedis. I hope you can see that. And then we have something like shop. In case if you want to create an online shop, then the shop is okay, and that is 160 Ghana cedis. And then we have let's see, .online, and .online too is very attractive, and that is what 60 Ghana cedis. Okay, right now I want to go with I will not register a new domain. I already have a domain. I want to use an existing and update my name server. So make sure that it's the domain you already have. Okay, if you don't have it, then you can't use this one. Okay, this whereby you already have a domain and you want to use it. Let's say you bought it on a different platform. Okay, then you can use it. You can select this one and use it here. If you don't understand anything, my number is here. Just reach out to me and I will explain it to you. Okay, so I will go with this one. This is the domain that I'm going to use, and the extension that I want to use is .com. Okay, so for here you have to enter the extension .com. Okay, good. Then I will then click here, that is used. Okay, so I will click that. Good. So as you can see, I have to I'm going to use this one, and let me look through it. I will show you how to where you can get this package as very cheap. Okay, as I said, I have a coupon code, and that's 30% for those watching this video right now. It's a surprise for you. It's something like it's a gift. It's a gift from me to you. Okay, take it like that. So let me click here, continue, and over here, okay, let's see if this is the coupon code. When you go down here, so after here, you see we have coupon code, and this is the coupon code. I'm going to show it to you, and the name of the coupon code is special day 30%. Okay, and this is below this video. Okay, it's below this video. I hope you can see. So I'm going to paste the coupon name here. So just enter special, then you add day. Okay, let me split that. So special day 30%. Let me remove the space. Okay, so special day 30%. Let me click that, and let's see. Good. And now instead of 300 Ghana cedis, I'm going to pay 210 Ghana cedis. Okay, which is very cheap. Okay, you won't get it anywhere. So I hope you understand that. Now let us continue. So over here, I will click checkout. Good. And we are here. I have to enter my name. You see, this is so amazing. Okay, so I have to fill in the forms, and I'm going to pause the video and complete it. When I'm done, then we will proceed with that. Okay, good. Okay, so now let's go through. I hope you can see that I've entered all the necessary informations. Okay, that is, this one is for the post code, or the postcode. Ghana here is 00233. Okay, that's what I've been using. Okay, so all that you need to do to fill in the details. Okay, make sure you enter your mobile number. Okay, your mobile number is very, very important, because in case something goes wrong and I want to reach out to you, that's what I will use. Okay, so make sure you enter your own mobile phone number. Okay, so and the total amount I'm supposed to pay, instead of the 300 Ghana cedis, with this special coupon code 30%, I'm supposed to pay 210 Ghana cedis. Okay, so those who want to any of the package, you can use the coupon code. Okay, so let's continue. Complete order. Okay, so I have to wait for a while. Okay, so here I have to enter my payment details. Okay, just to make automatic payment. Okay, so as you can see, we have mobile money if you're in Ghana, or countries that's using the mobile money, then you are good to go. Or you can go with a credit card, okay, Master or Visa card, okay. I want to go with a mobile money. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will enter my mobile money number here. Okay, and I've done that, and see MTN has been selected already. So what I need to do is to click confirm. Okay, so I'm supposed to try another mobile number. I don't know why, so I have to do that. Okay. Okay, so let me try a different mobile number. Let's see, 0597787282. Okay, so let me try this one. It's another mobile that is, oh, this one too is not working. I don't know. I think I don't know why I'm facing this problem right now. Start over with the same mobile number. Okay, so let me click here. Okay, so this time I will go with this, the old one, this one. Okay, so let me click that again. I think I'm facing problem. Okay, some technical errors that I'm not getting it. Okay, so in case if something is wrong somewhere, you can't make payment, just reach out to me and let me go back and see. Okay, so let me click pay now again. Okay, so let me try it one more time. Okay, so I will click that and click that. Okay, so it's not going through, so I'm going to find a way to approve the payment so that I'll be able to continue with the video, because I think I'm facing problem with the payment gateway. And don't worry, in case we are facing such a problem, just reach out to me. It is nothing. Okay. Okay, so welcome back. Now right now, you see, I was having problem with the payment gateway. I don't know, but I found a way to approve the payment. So right now I'm going to my services. Just come back to services, and I hope you can see that when you go to my services, you see I have one service here. Okay, and it's active, which means that it's working now. Okay, so I don't have to do anything again. Okay, so don't worry, I will solve this problem. It's not a big deal. Okay, so now let us proceed. Now we have already paid for domain hosting. We are now going to look at how to install WordPress. Okay, but before, let me see if the domain is now active, because you see, you have to make sure that you have to change the name servers. Okay, the email that which will be sent to you, it contains all the details. The name server that you are going to use, the name server is on the screen. Okay, that is ns1.iradahost.com, ns2.iradahost.com, ns3.iradahost.com, and ns4.iradahost.com. Okay, in case you don't know how to change the name server, I think I have a video on YouTube. I will come here. Now, as you are here, let me show you where to go. Anytime you log in, this is where it will take you to. Okay, so first of all, let me log out from here. I can just log out from here, or I can just close this from and go back to ReaderHost platform. When I click login here, I can enter my email account, that is website experts, this one, then enter my password here. So then I can click login. Okay, so as you can see, anytime you log in, it will take you to this platform. Okay, see, still I have an invoice to pay, but I am not, so I don't know why I'm facing this challenge. So let me click here, and as you can see, after that you'll be redirected to this part. Okay, so what you need to do is just click the space here. Okay, here or anywhere. Okay, don't click on this one, don't click on it. Okay, so let me see if the domain is active. Okay, so the domain is okay. So over here, just click anywhere, like here, and we are here. Okay, so here you will see log into cPanel. So click here. Good. Let me take you back again. You see we have log into cPanel. Make sure you click there, and I'm already on the cPanel, so I can just close this, or just close this. You don't need it. Okay, so we are here. This is a cPanel, and I'm going to show you what you can do First we have the tools here. If you want to create an email account, you can do that by creating an email account. When you go to my YouTube, I have a video on how to create an email account. Okay, and then we have let's see, that's the file manager. Okay, so let's say if I click here, the file manager here, and you can see this is my domain. Yeah, this is my domain. And as you can see, when I go to the public underscore HTML, yeah, this one, you see I have nothing here. I will not close this. Let's come back to the cPanel. So right now we are going to install the most popular website builder, and that is WordPress. Okay, so to install WordPress, let's go to here, manage WordPress. Good. And we don't have any WordPress here, so I can just click install here to install WordPress. Very simple. So I'll click install. Okay, good. So you see my domain, it has been selected already, and we have this one. I will always I will advise you to go with the HTTPS. Okay, and I think this one too is okay, but I always want to go with this one. Okay, good. And make sure here is empty. And after that, for the site name, leave it, and the site description, you don't need it right now. You can change it, but you can do that on your WordPress dashboard. Okay, the username is admin. Don't keep it as admin. You can just use your brand name like Ireda or something of that sort. Okay, and then the password, you can change your password. Okay, I want to hide it and change it. I want to click on it and change it. Okay. Okay, good. And here this email account is not created. I have not created this email account yet. Okay, if you want to maintain admin at thecafamsgh.com, then later you have to create this email account. Okay, so maybe I will create it later, so let me keep it. Or if you like, you can put your Gmail account there, but in case you create this domain based email account later, then keep it. So let's go down here, and I can just come here and click install. Now let's go to the top. Installation is ongoing. Within some seconds, as you can see, installation is done. Let me leave here and go back to the file manager here again. Let me refresh here, and let's see. You see we have some files. Okay, let me click here again. You see I have some files here. Okay, at first there was no files. Now I have some files. Now let me close it, and that's our WordPress file as installation. Okay, good. Now, when I click here, I will go to the back end as a visitor, something of that sort. Okay, so this is my website. We are now going to look at how to, we are going to modify it to look beautiful. But if I want to log into WordPress dashboard, okay, always, if you want to log into a WordPress dashboard, let me show you. We have this automatic one. When I click here, automatically it will log me. I'll be logged in. Okay, so I'm already on my WordPress dashboard. Let me just log out again. Okay, good, and close it. So here, if you want to, this my WordPress sites. Okay, if I want to log in, I can just click here and enter /wp-admin. Okay, and click enter. If you do remember your login details like email, okay, my email was admin at, or username, it was what, Ireda. Okay, but the password, I don't remember the password, so I can't enter that. So what I'm going to do is I will come back here and click this one, because this one is automatic. Okay, if for some reason you don't have this anymore, or you have lost, or you don't have access to this page, okay, or something happens and you are no more here, just let me take you back to the cPanel and just go down and locate WordPress here. Click that, and here you will see login. Okay, when you click on that, you will come here. Okay, that's simple as that. Okay, so enough with the cPanel. I have to close this because we are done with that. Okay, we are done with that. I have to close that. So I only have this and that. Okay, good. So we are done with the installation of WordPress. Our next steps is how to clean the WordPress dashboard. How do we do that? You see, I have a lot of stuff here that I don't like it, so I want to make it neat and clean. To do that, I will just come back here, screen option here, then I will uncheck all these. Okay, and close that. Good. Now I'm done with that. You see, here is neat now. This the pages. Let's go to post. The installation came with default post. Okay, so I have to delete it. and go to trash and empty the trash. Okay, so let's go to pages. Okay, we also have a default page here. Select all, click bulk action, move to trash, apply. Okay, trash, then empty the trash. Okay, good. Now let's go to themes. Okay, good. And here too, we can delete unwanted themes and plugins too. We can do that. I can just select here and delete all these unwanted plugins. Okay, good. So, and then the last thing that we need to do, which is very, very important, go to permanent links here and make sure you change from day and name to post name. Okay, it's very important for SEO. Okay, good. So now we are done with that. We are going to look at how to install that is how to install themes and plugins, okay, which is very, very important. So let's start with the themes first. I will go to appearance, themes. Okay, so before, let me delete all these themes that came with the installation, because one thing is that you want to have a lightweight, that you want your website to be very fast. So if you have themes and plugins, other things like that, you are not using it, you don't have to keep them. Okay, you have to delete it. Especially don't leave a theme or a plugin which is not active. Okay, when you do, it's very, very important. Okay, it is dangerous. Okay, if the theme or the plugin is not active, it becomes vulnerable for hackers to use that to hack your website. Okay, now let me show you, in case you want to know how to protect your website from hackers and brutal for and other attacks. Then let me take you to my YouTube channel here. Just come to /@erudite.tv. Okay, and the link is below this video. When you come here, just go to this the playlist. Let's see, we have this here. Okay, oh, let me see. Okay, I think it's a video, it's not a playlist. It's a playlist. This one, how to protect website from hackers or malicious attack. Okay, it's part 1 and part 2. I would advise you to watch the video to the end so that you can protect your website. Okay, I don't want to say a lot here, so I will just close this. Now let's come back here, and the theme, add new theme, I will click that. And the thing that I'm going to install is Blosky. That's the most popular. I've entered the name here, and this is the name of the theme. I will click install, and then updates. Good. After that, you see this one, I don't have to keep this one, I have to delete it from here. Okay, good, it's gone. Now let's come back here and install the Blosky companion. It's very important, so just go ahead and activate it. And there's one thing, extension here. You see this one, cookies consent. First, let me open the website in a new tab. Right click and click here. Let's see, you see there's nothing here. Let me activate this and you see what I'm talking about. Now let's come back here and refresh the page. You see we have this here. Okay, so it's very, very important. Now I'm done with that, so let's go back to our dashboard. Let me click here. So we are done with the installation of the theme. Okay, and that's the Blosky theme. Now left with the plugin. I'm going to show you how to install plugin on a on your WordPress dashboard. So let's come back here. I have this list here. Okay, I hope you can see this. This is the list of plugins that I'm going to install. Okay, the list of plugins. Okay, so right now I'm going to Elementor. So let's come back here. I'll go to plugins, add new here, and just enter Elementor. I've been using it, that's why the name is here. So I will just check that, and it will bring all the Elementor plugins. Okay, so let's see. We have Elementor, Essential Add-ons for Elementor, Happy Elementor Add-ons. Okay, so let's look at it. This Elementor, the original one, and Essential Add-ons for Elementor. Then let's look at there's another one, happy. Let's go through it. Okay, and I think the plus add-on for Elementor, let's see, I think it's part of the list. Okay, so we see we have plus add-ons for Elementor. Okay, add-ons for Elementor. Okay, so let me add this one. Okay, good. And then let's see, happy add-ons for Elementor, I think it's part of it. Okay, so that is happy Elementor add-ons. Okay, happy add-ons for Elementor, and I think the name is still the same. Okay, so I will click here to install that, and then let's see. So 1, 2, 3, and then the 4, 11 the WP forms. Okay, and I don't know if we should proceed with that, so we will just proceed with that. Okay, or we can leave it. Okay, don't worry. So let's go and see WP forms. Let me enter that here. So I will click here and enter WP forms. Okay, so this is the WP forms here. Click that to install. Okay, 11 web plugin, you won't get it on your Elementor, that is the WordPress dashboard here. Okay, and that is Pro Elements. Okay, so let's come back here, open your browser, enter Pro, just enter Pro Elements. Okay, the name is there, is Pro Element, and click enter. So see this one, the first one here, this one, that is proelements.org. Click this one. Okay, so later I'll make a serious video on this plugin. So for now, I'm not going to say anything. So just click on that to install. Okay, I already have it. Okay, but by the way, let me download it. Okay, because it won't cost me anything. So let's come back here and let's go to upload. Click here, and I'm going to select the new plugin. Okay, so I will click install now, because we don't have that plugin on the dashboard, so you have to go out and download it from their official website and upload, and that's what I've done. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let me leave it, don't activate it, because we have to activate the original Elementor, because this one, before that one will work. Okay, so let me first click this one, activate, to bring you here. Don't worry, just click here to cancel that. Okay, good. You see we have this, you can close that, you can just click here and remove this from here. Okay, you want to have a clean dashboard, let's go to plugins, and over here, this is what we are going to do. Let's activate them one after the other. Okay, so here just continue and click next, and then we have click down here to view all. We have these WP forms, check this box. Okay, and after that click next. Okay, and then next, no thanks. Okay, so we are good. I have to come back to plugins again, and we have to activate the rest of the plugins. So I will select the rest, all of them. Okay, so and this and that. So let me come back here and select the bulk action and go to activate, click apply. Okay, so it's done. I don't have to do anything here. Let me go back to the dashboard, and which means, okay, let me remove this one again, happy add-ons, WP. Okay, plus. Okay, so right now I have activated all of them, as you can see. So we are done with the installation of plugins and themes. Okay, good. So what is the next? Okay, so we are going to look at, when you look at the default one, that's the sample site. We have the other pages here. Okay, so we are going to look at how to create WordPress pages. So let's come back to the dashboard here and go to pages. When you go to add all pages, we don't have any page here. Okay, we have deleted it. Let me close all these to have a clean dashboard. Okay, so I can click no thanks, so we don't have anything here. Okay, so I can click add new here, or here add new page. You see, when you come here, the first page is home. That's the landing page. So I will just enter that home and click publish. So I will just click here, the WordPress icon here to take me back, add new. Okay, and here to about. Okay, or I can just say about us. Publish. Okay, so go back again. Then the next one is services. Publish. Go back again. Then we have portfolio. Publish. Go back again. Then we have contact. Publish. Go back again. Then the last one is blog. Okay, publish, go back. So we have added how many pages now? 6 pages. Okay, so these are the pages that we need. Okay, so we are done with the pages. So what we are going to do is how to create a menu. Now when I come here and refresh the page, let's see, you see the pages are here, but it's not well arranged. Look at it, the sample one were arranged from home, about, services, portfolio. Okay, but look at this one, about, first, disorganized. Okay, so we are going to arrange it. So here, go to appearance, and then you see menus here, click that. Okay, good. So here, enter the menu name. Enter menu name. For the first time, I want to go with the primary menu, but just enter any name that you want. Okay, it will not appear on the front end of the site, so just enter any name that you want. That is a header menu. I will go with it. You have to select the one, and then the mobile menu, select it, create it. Good. So now we have access. I can select all and click add to menu. Okay, so you can rearrange it here. Okay, as I'm doing, about second, then I want services to be here, the blog to come down here. Now the blog will be here, sorry, and then that's the portfolio. I want it to come that's in front of the blog. Okay, so I can now click save to save it. So let's go down here and refresh the page. You see, it's now, everything is now fine or nice. Okay, good. Okay, so there's one thing that I want you to pay attention to that. Okay, so we have done with the creating of the pages. Okay, but left with the blog. Let me show you something, one important thing. Now if I click home page, let's look at something. You see home here. If I click on the logo, then you see ready to publish your first post, meaning our post page is now our landing page. We don't want that. We want the home page here to be our landing page. Okay, now let me take you back here. If I click home, you see we are at the same place. If I click the logo, we are still at the same place, but this one is not like that. Okay, if I click logo, different page, home page. Okay, so let us continue. So what I'm going to do is, let's come back here, and now let's go to, if you want to actually make sure that our home is our landing page. So let's go down here, go to, that is settings, then select the reading from here. So over here, you see static page, select static page. So home page, home, select static page from here. Latest post to static, and then the home page is home, post page is blog. Go down here and save the change. Now let's come back here and click on the logo. you see we are still at home. When I click on the home too, still at home. So we have achieved that. Okay, good. So now we have done all these. There's one thing that we also need to do, that is the colors. Okay, colors. Okay, so we are going to work on the colors. Okay, good. So since we're already on the home page, we are going to work on the global colors. Okay, and other settings that we need to do. So let's come back to customize here. Now let's come back here. You see this one, it contains all the information that we are going to use for this website, and these are the colors that we are going to use. Okay, good. Now let's go to general first, and then layout is 1220. Okay, I don't like that. Okay, let's go with the 1220 is too wide. Okay, let's go with 11. Okay, someone. Okay, so you know something, I have been using 1140. By this time, I just want to do something new. I want to go with 1120. Okay, 1120. Okay, that is good. Let me update that. Okay, cool. Now the rest is okay. So let's go back here, and what else? Let me go back again, and then scroll to top. Make sure you activate it. Okay, to appear here. Okay, so no problem, you have to activate this. Let me publish that. Okay, I'm talking about this one. Okay, so right now, if I go back to the front end, let me put this one here so that this one will be here. So, and we have not created a page here, added content. After adding content, we'll see it here. Okay, so let's go down here, let's go back, and we have colors. So we are going to add the global colors. Okay, that's the global colors. Okay, it's very, very important. So we have to set the colors. Let's come back here, and the color is our first color. You see this blue color. I just want to, is it blue? Oh, okay, let me click that, copy this. Okay, so let me come back here, delete it, and paste this. Okay, okay, so this is the color. Okay, this color. Okay, I don't know, I think, okay, let me paste the color here. I just want to be sure. Okay, paste the color here and click that. Okay, so this is the color. This is the color that, okay, I hope you can see that. Okay, so I'm okay with that. So let me click here. I've added that, and now let's go here, and then I want to add a yellow color, the top yellow color here. I hope you can see the color code. Make sure you enter. The blue color is #173552. Okay, and the yellow one is #F2BB1E. Okay, I want to add that one here, delete this, and paste that one here. Okay, and that is cool. Okay, so let me publish that. Okay, so let us continue on here. I want to maintain this one. Let's see this. I don't like this one. This one is like a link color. Let me see. Okay, it says, okay, I think it's okay. So what I'm going to do is this one, I'm going to make it #50 50 50. Okay, I want to go with that. Okay, yes, good. And I think this one is what, let's see. Okay, so let's maintain this one, or let's make it deep black color. Okay, and that is 0000. Okay, that is just enter #5 zeros or so. Oh, that's it. Okay, or you can just drag the mouse to this corner and you're good to go. Okay, good. So we are not done. Left with this color, the blue color. We have the second color. Is this color blue? Don't worry, take it like that. Okay, so I'll copy this color, come back here. Let me come. Oh, come on, mistake here. I want to add more colors. Okay, add new. Okay, so you see, you can click here and add new. So this time I'm going to add this color. Okay, and that's the new one. That's the next color. okay, to this one. Okay, so let me publish that. So we have added the colors. Okay, we can even go with the kind of, so we have added the global colors and everything is fine. So let's see. Okay, so these are the colors and we have added them. Okay, so we are good to go. So what else? Now look at this header here. Is it not amazing? Do you like it? I'm going to show you how to design the header. Okay, good. That's what we are going to do first. So let's jump to designing the header. Okay, so let's come back here, go to, or I can just leave here so that I want to start the whole thing all over again. So just go to customize here. Good. And over here, let's go to header. Good. So you see we have, this is the main header and we have the top bar here, the one here. Okay, good. So this is what I'm going to do. I will click here. The main header is 120. I don't like that. Let's make it like 85. That's what I want. And then we have, this is the desktop one, and then the mobile, I will make it like 60, or I can say 65 or so. And then the mobile, select the mobile one, I will make it like 55, or yeah, I think so, and save that. Okay, good. That's good. Now let me come back to the desktop. Okay, good. Now let's come back to this one. This one to the top one. Desktop is 50. I will make it like 45. Then tablet, I'll make it like 40, and then mobile 35 is okay. 35, and I will publish that and go back. Okay, good. So as you can see, gradually, let me publish that. I'll come back here and let's see. Let me refresh the page. You see, it's now closed. Good, and everything is looking amazing. Okay, good. So we want to, let me come back to the desktop. Good. Over here, if you don't like the white interface here, we can just click here to change that and make it dark. I hope this one is good. Okay, good. Let me publish that again. Okay, so now we want to, let's go to the header again. I want to just modify this one. Okay, let's see. Now it's okay. So let's work with the top one. So the top one, I will click here, go to design here, and the background color. What is the background color of this one? Is this color. So I will come back here and select that, and this is the color, this one. Select that, publish that. If I come here and refresh the page, you will not see it. You know why? Because there's nothing here. So let me come back here. Let's go back. What do we have here? Mobile number and social media icons. Let's come back here, or let's go back. Okay, good. So we are going to add them. Okay, so you see the mobile, I have a mobile number here. So I'm going to use this one, HTML. Drop it here, and after that, click on it to open like this, and you can just, I can enter my mobile number there. Okay, let's see. And I have an icon here. Okay, if you want to put this icon here, it's very simple. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very simple. Okay, but let me put this one aside for a while. I'll show you when you go to Canva, because I have to do that at Canva. So let's come back here, and I can just enter 0245152060. Oh, sorry, 0, my number. Come back here, and I will make it white, or I can just drag it here, click outside, and then when you put a mouse on it, I want it to change to yellow. Okay, good. And here too is yellow. It's okay. So let me save that. Let's come back here and refresh the page. Let's see what we have done so far. I hope you can see we have it here, and it's looking amazing. Now let's come back here and go back. We want to add social icons. This social, so we have to drag it and drop it here. Publish that. Let's go to headers. Oh no, come back. Elements. Okay, so click on the social icon here. Click on it, and we have the social icon. If you want to add a different apart from this one, all that you need to do, let me see. Okay, select here, then you locate the social icon like if email. I'll click on that and click add, and it will be added. But I don't want that, so I will remove the email from here, and we have only this, and I will save that. If I want to do, when I come back here and refresh the page, it's not visible here, so I have to come to design and select white. Okay, or I can go with the yellow. What color did I? Okay, it's white, so I can just go with the white here, select the white and publish that. And let's see, refresh the page, and we have white here. It's looking amazing, right? Good. So let's see, I want, okay, and I think it's okay, so good. So we are done with this one. We need to add a logo, okay, and this icon. I'm going to show you how to do that. If you don't have Canva Pro, the link is below this video. It's for free, okay? I'm giving it to all my students, so just get access to free Canva Pro, okay? So let's go to here. I'll just enter Canva. Okay, I already have an account, and it's pro account. Okay, so let me come back here, and I'm going to create a logo for that. Okay, so first, because I need a logo to replace this, let me come back here, and then I will just go through the items I have here. Okay, let's see if I, and this is the logo. I can click on that. Okay, so over here you see, we can see a lot of logo here. Okay, and you can just pick any of them and use them for free. Okay, yes, you don't have to pay anything, just for free. Okay, okay, so this time when you look at the logo here, the logo I have here, and this is the logo. Okay, so if I want to go with this one, I can just click here. I don't want any of these, so I will just delete all of them from there. I just need the design. Okay, click here, delete it. I can expand that, make it big. Okay, good, and increase the size, increase it again, make sure it's at the center. Good, good. So let's come back here. I'm going to change the colors. Okay, so let me use my colors. The first one, the yellow color, let me copy it. I'll copy the yellow color. Let's see. Okay, so let me click here, just click this one, then Control V to paste the color. Now let's come back here again, then I want to go with this one, copy that, select, let me click on that, select the color again, come back here, Control V to paste. Okay, for the background, there's don't worry about that. Okay, so I will just click here, then go down here, click download, and I don't want to have a background color, so I will click transparent background and click download, and it will remove the background, the black color from there. Okay, I can just name it as logo. Let me select that is where I want to keep them. Okay, so let me come back here and save it. Okay, good. So I can just go back here. Now there's the logo. I will click on that, click here, select, click here, go to my computer and locate the logo, open it, then select that. Okay, good. So the logo size is 50, which is too small. Let me make it like 70 on desktop, and then after that, you see the title is still there, so uncheck this. So on tablets, I'll make it like 60, and then on mobile, I'll make it like 45. Okay, good, it's good. So I will then publish it, come back here and refresh the page. You see, I have it, and it's looking amazing. Okay, good. Let me see. Good, I love it. Okay, so right now let's come back let me check the desktop. So let me show you something. On desktop, you won't be able to see this the top menu, okay, or the top the top bar or the top menu, okay. So let me show you how to do that. So this is what we are going to do. Right now, we will switch. This is the desktop, so we will switch to that's the tablet. Then after that, we will select this one and put it here, okay, so that's this one, so that it will appear on the menu too, okay. I'm talking about on tablet too, okay. So on mobile, I think you will not see. Okay, now once we have done the tablet one, so the mobile is okay. In case you want to show the mobile, that's the social media icon too, that one too, we have to bring it. So it's either we switch back to tablet, then we look for, we don't have to change it because we have already added the details. Now let's go to social, then we can also put that one here, so that after that you'll see it here. And on mobile too, you will see there, very important. So as you can see, it's looking amazing, okay, good. So if you check it on mobile, you see it, okay, but if you remove them, you won't be able to see it on mobile, okay, good. And one thing, when I click here, you see I only see the menu, okay. Right now I want to do something. Let's come back here. Let me see if I can make some change on the menu. So let's come back to desktop. This is desktop on mobile. Let's come back to tablets, and this is the tablet mobile menu. Click on that, and we want to reduce the text. You see, it's too big for me, and it's that is the cases I want to have uppercase. So I'll come here, and here is, you see, it's 20. Let's make it something like 14. Good. And then we make it uppercase. You see, it's looking good now. So I can save that. Okay, good. What else can we do? And there's one thing, and I think mobile 2, let me check mobile, and then mobile 2, I think it's still 14, so it's okay. Let's maintain the 14 for mobile 2. Okay, so tablet and mobile is the same thing. We want to show a logo here, okay. So that is off Canva logo. Let's put that one here, and we can just see now we have a logo here, or we can just put it on top here, so that it will rather appear on top here, okay. And that is good. The background of our mobile menu is black. Do you want us to maintain the black? I don't think so. I don't like the black. So let's see if we can work on that. So let's click here and go to design, and this is the black color. Let's go for this color, okay, so that, yes, I hope you can see it's looking nice now. Okay, good. So when you check it on mobile, everything is looking perfect, and then also on tablet. And so which means that I really love the button. Okay, I think we have to change the tablet color to this color. Okay, let's save that. Now let's go back. If you want to see if this change has taken place, then you have to open it on your mobile phone. Okay, that is all I can say for now. So I don't want us to waste a lot of time here, so we are done with the mobile menu. So let's go back here. Okay, good. So let's look at the sample site. Let me open the Nesto. Okay, so here's a sample site. Okay, good. So we are here, and if you want to add this, as we have this, let me show you how to do that. Okay, so let me go back here, and then so here on the header, and select the menu again. So click on the menu, and you see the menu. When you click here, the menu general here, under general, you see we have different menu here. Okay, we have this. So this one is whereby you have something. Let me refresh the page. You see you have something like that. Okay, and I want to go with this one. And let me show you something. I refresh the page. You see it's close to the edge. You can't even see it well, so we can reduce it. Okay, so that is item spacing. Let me see, item inner spacing. So we can, I think it's this one. We can just close the gap. It's now 41. Let me see. Oh, not this one, not this one, not this one. So let me maintain the 25. Okay, so that is 25. This was 25. So this one is this one. Okay, so let me put 20 here and let's see. Yeah. Okay, so let me refresh the page. Oh, it's not this one too. Okay, so I don't know why. Okay, then let's use this one. This is the height. It's different this one, so let's make it like 80 and let's see. Okay, go back and refresh the page. Okay, good. So it's this one. I hope you can see that. Right now it's not that close. If you want to make it more narrow, let me make it like 75 and save it again. Come back here, refresh the page. So as you can see, it's now looking amazing. Okay, so we are done with the menu. Let me close here. So we are going to look at how to design this part. As I said, I have all the items here. Okay, all the materials. Okay, so right now, as I said, we have all the resources. Okay, all the resources which I use to design this website. I have it. Okay, and I'm giving it to you for free. Okay, you can use them. Now let's come back here and enter erida.com. Okay, erida.com. Then you enter slash erida.com. Then you enter slash that is erida.com. Then you enter slash which is ns2. Okay, ns2. Good. ns2. Then you click enter. So erida.com slash ns2, enter. Then it will take you to that is the login page. That is, it will take you to where the file is. Now you can just, you see ns2 material, just click on that to download it. Okay, I don't want to do that. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me click on that because it's just that I already have the all the resources. Because okay, so let's come back here. I have them here. Okay, I have it. So I don't know if I should. Okay, so right now I'm going to save it because okay, so I will create a new page here. I'll create a new page like this one. Yes, and I'll select it and put this one inside. Okay, good. So when we come here, go to downloads and check this one, then I can just right click it and extract it. Okay, good. So this is the file. I have all the file here as I said. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to design this one. Okay, very simple and easy. Okay, good. So I'll first close this and I'm done downloading it, so I have to close this too. Okay, good. So right now let me drag this and put it at the back. Okay, so I'll be working here and this will be my reference. Or let me close this. So right now let's go to Canva. I will enter Canva. If you don't have Canva Pro accounts, I'll give it to you for free. Okay, in fact Canva is very expensive. Let's go to let's look at Canva Pro pricing. Okay, or price. Okay, so let me take you to the official website so that you can look at the price. Okay, so let's see. So there's a Canva Pro pricing. Okay, we have the free one, but the free one there is a lot of what limitation. Okay, yeah, you'll be restricted. There's a certain thing that you'll be able to get it for free. So you see, we have 120 year for one person. Okay, you have to pay $120 for one person, and we have $100 minimum for 3 people. So which means that if you're buying it for 3 people, you pay 100 Ghana cedis for each person. So for 3 people, you pay $300. Okay, and this $120. Okay, we are not here to talk about the price, but I'll give it to you for free, as I said. So in order to create this one, to create this, first we have this color. We have to create this one first. So let's go to Canva. Here select that is 120, that is 90/20 by 1080. Okay, then 1080. This is the dimension that we are going to use for the hero session, this hero session. So I will just click create. Okay, so for this one, right now I have to go for what do you call it, that is the sticker, where I have, or let me see, Where are the sticker notes? Okay, so sticky notes. Okay, this one, sticky notes. See, I have all the, okay, good. That's where I have all the information that I've been using for this website. So the color, I will select this color here. Okay, good. So you click here, then you come back here, just click here, then you paste the color. Okay, so after that, just go ahead, click here, then go down here, download, then you can just proceed and download it. I don't want to go ahead and do it because I already have that. So the file is here. Okay, good. So let me come back here, and inside this one, there's the file. So there's the file. Okay, I have it here, so I don't want to download it again. So I'll come back here, and this is what I'm going to do. I'll click edit with Elementor. Now, as this one is ongoing, let's come back to Canva, and there's one thing that we need to design. Okay, and that is this one, this image. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's come back to Canva again, and this time let's go to as I said, we are going to design this one. Okay, so let's come back here, customize again. This time we will delete this and enter that is 600 by 500. The height is going to be, we'll make the height 500. Okay, good. Let me confirm that from the design. Okay, so let me put the mouse on it. So you see it's 600 by 500. Good. So that, let's proceed. Okay, so I will go to create design, create new design. Okay, and so we have this. Okay, good. So we are now going to search for the resources. Go to elements, and the first resources that we are going to use is this shape. Okay, but let me show you where you can get that. So as soon as you click here, just go through it. Okay, go through it. You see shapes. Okay, first let's go through it. Let me show you the shapes. Okay, so you see we have shapes here. So click here, and you can just go through it, and you see this. Click on that and expand it. Okay, just expand it. Okay, okay, so make sure it touches both ends. Okay, good, and that is okay. Right now, so what next is we need that is this one, that is frame. Okay, we need a frame, but because this one is the recent use item, that's why I can see it here, but you will not see it here. So let me show you where to get that. So as soon as you click here, just go through it. You see this one, you see frames. Okay, and the frames we have to type here. Let me see. Okay, good. Okay, let's go up again. So the frame I will select here, and here too we have types. One is here, one is here, and another type, and this one, this group. Okay, the block, I don't know if that is. So click here, then this is the correct one, the right one. So I will click that, and then extend it. So first the color is yellow. You see here the color is yellow, not this color, so I have to change it. So I will then come back here and select the yellow color. Good. So I will select that, click here, click on it, come back here, click here, and click Ctrl V to paste it. Okay, so after that I will then, oh come on, okay, good. So after that I will click here and drag this and put it at this on it. Okay, good. So as you can see, it's looking great. Okay, I think I love it. Good, good. Okay, okay, so this one is okay. So right now we need to upload the image. Okay, the image is here. I've already added it, but this is how to go about it. You see I have the image here. It's part of the files. So just drag the image and drop it here. I already have it there, so I will not, just drag it and drop it. and that's it. Okay, so I'll just pick it and drop it there. You can double click it just for you to just to reposition the image. Okay, so I think that is good. Let me click it again and go up. Oh, come on. So let me drag this and then drag it up. Okay, so I like it this way. So after that, come back here and then click downloads. Make sure you select transparent background for that and click download, and that is good to go. Okay, good. So I don't want to save it, so I will just cancel that. Now let's come back here. You see, I've made some changes here. I hope you can see this. Your interface may be different, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, but first, before we can do that, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. So this is what we are going to do. So just if you're already on the Elementor interface here, click Ctrl E. You see this folder. Okay, then dashboard, you enter dash. Okay, you see, you can see dashboard here. Click here. It will take you back to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, good. Now this is what we are going to do. Locate WordPress. This WordPress settings. So under settings, go to add features. Okay, so make sure you select activate all, then go down here and save the change. Okay, after that, let's come back here. There's one more advanced here. Here you see we have this one. Okay, make sure you change it from disable to enable. Okay, and then you come back here and save it again. That is all. If you have done that, then you are okay. Now let's go back to the Elementor. Let's go to edit with Elementor. So I'm now going to show you how to add the different devices. Okay, so you see, for now your interface, you only have the desktop and then tablets and mobile. You don't have all these, and I'm going to show you how to go about it. So this is what we are going to do. Go to the settings here and look through it. You see layout, click on that. Now when you go down, you see breakpoints, click on that. So here you see that some of them is not here. For instance, mobile portrait, this one is not part of it. Okay, let's see. Mobile landscape, let me remove this. Tablets, this one, I think most of them. Okay, and then we have even the widescreen here is not part, and then we have this one is not part. So we only have, I think, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. I think yeah, I've deleted some of them, so you only see 3. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Just click the plus icon here and you'll be able to select the rest. Okay, so this one is already there, so this one is not there, then you add it. Click that, so you'll be able to see those that you have not added yet. Okay, so you see tablet landscape, I can just add that. And what else? We have widescreen, I can add that. So I've added extra 4. Okay, making 6. Still you will not see it here, don't worry. So just click save. So after saving it, you see reload here. So after reloading it, you will now see everything. Okay, you see all the different devices format here. The reason why I'm doing it in this way is because I want to optimize the website on different devices. Okay, so that the website will look good on all the devices. Okay, good. It can be only desktop and mobile. Okay, and tablet. It should be different devices. Okay, because this one, as you can see, mobile landscape. Okay, so if it means that if someone change the mobile, that is the rotate, or use the auto rotate, the site will still look good on the mobile phone. Okay, good. So that's what we are trying to achieve here. Okay, good. So enough with the talk and let's proceed. So right now, this is what you need to do. Click the settings here. Click the settings. When you click, okay, first let me leave here. Okay, after making the change. Okay, good. And we are not done. We have to add, we have already added the global colors, so we have them there. Okay, so we don't have to change anything again. But there's one thing that I want to show you how to go about it. So settings here, let's go to, that is we have settings here we have, that is, let's go to layouts. Okay, so the layout here you see is 1140. Okay, it's 1140 here. I want to change it. Okay, I want to change the layout. Okay, mobile, so I will make it that is 1120. Yes, 1120, and save that. I want to do the same for the that's customized. See, that one, it was it 11? Okay, so let's find out from that. Okay, so I would rather open this page on another tab. Okay, so let me come back here and paste it here and go to, so that I'll be able to, let me bring it here, go to customize. Okay, so let's see. So let's go to general, and then layouts is 1120, and that is cool. Okay, so that's what I want. So okay, so let's come back here. If we have 1120 here and 1120 there, so let me close that. And one thing, let me click here. Okay, good. Let me click here again. Oh, it's not here. Okay, no, come back here. Let me click here. So here we have user preference. Click there and make sure here is off. Put it on and publish it. Okay, good. After that, you are done. Let's go back. Okay, so we are done. So let's come back here. Good. What else? In case you want to change, let me see if we have that here. Let's go to settings. Maybe you don't like the white background that you have here. If you don't like that, you can go to, okay, let's see. Okay, enough. Let's move on. I don't have time. I wanted to change this one to black, but let's proceed. We don't have time. Okay, good. So this is what we are going to do. This one, we have two sections where we have the text and the image. So I'll come back here, select here, select that, select this one with the two click that. Okay, good. I'll click here. Then what I'm going to do is, okay, this one I can still see 1140 here. So let me publish that and then refresh the image so that here will change. Okay, good. So let me click on top here again. Good. So now it's 1120. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going here, minimum height. I will select VH. Then after that, I will open it wide to 100%. Okay, good. Then you will click here again, come to star. So under background, first one, not background overlay, background, click that. Then click here. We are now going to locate that image. Sorry. Okay, so let's go to the file, this one, and locate this one. Okay, so just pick it. I already have it here, but add it. So we have added that. Save it. Okay, good. What else? Here we need to add image, the image. Okay, so I will then click here to come back to the main interface. Select the image element. Click here. Then after that, I will select here to reposition the image. You see, it's on top. It's hanging. Okay, I want it to be at the center, okay, of it. So I will then click here and come back and click here so that it will drop at the center. So I will click on it again, click here, locate the image, the one we just created. So pick it from your computer and add it as we have that. Okay, you can publish that. Right now, I don't want to keep on refreshing the page, so I'm going to close this one. And over here, this is what I'm going to do. See, we have the eye icon here. I will click on that so that anytime I make a new change, I will not have to refresh the page. So let's come back here. Yes, I want an easy way. Okay, yes, I think you also like that, so don't complain. So let's go back here and click the plus icon. Anytime you want to have access to the elements, you have to click the plus icon. So right now I want header, so I will search for header, and the header that I will go for is this one. Okay, so I will drag it and drop it here. Good. So this is the header. This is what we are going to do. So first of all, you see the center align. Select this to make it left align. Let's change the color. The first color is what? Okay, yellow and white. Okay, so let's come back here. The first color is yellow, and then the second color, let's go down here, and that is the extra title, and that one is white. Or we can click here and push the mouse here. Okay, good. And then the subtitle is white, so that one too, we can click here and select the white. Okay, good. The subtitle is H3. I want to have it as P, and that is paragraph. Okay, good. So I will then save it. Let's come back here. What do we have here? Okay, here is the guitar. Oh yeah, very lazy guy. Okay, so I will then click here again, go back to content. So this one, the first one here, heading is going to be the guitar. Good. And the next one, sorry, this one, okay, is agency. So I will then come down here, come back to the extra title here, and enter agency. Okay, good. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so I will come back here and copy the text. I hope please, I would advise you not to use dummy text. Okay, this is supposed to be some kind of a short description. Now when you look at when you go to my official website, it's like I don't have time to be giving you all the content. Okay, later I will show you how to get your website content, where to get. You see, we specialize in creating stunning websites such as, okay, something of that sort. Okay, so just add something catchy. Okay, not just a dummy text. Okay, so I will then copy this one. Okay, so I'll copy this dummy text, then come back here, and under subtitle, that is where I will paste that. Okay, good. So after that, I will click here. We want to center this one. You see, it's at the top hanging. What do we do? So you just click here, come here and center that. Okay, good. I can click here to publish it. Okay, so after that, when you click here, now this is what we have done so far. Now let's come back here. Here's what I'm going to do. I will select here, click advanced, and here that is pattern. I will check this. Okay, and this is what I'm going to do. Here is left, is right. Here is right align. Okay, it's right. This part is right. I want to just, you see, it's too close. It's too close to the image. Okay, so I just want to cut here. So on the right side here, I'll put something like 100. Okay, good. So after that, let me expand it again, and you see, I think it's still, let me make it like 120 and see. Okay, good. And let me drag it back. You see, it's now look good. Okay, and let's see, I can make it, let me see, 150. Okay, good. And I think this one is perfect. Okay, I love this one. Okay, so we can check it on different devices. So I can check here. Here is responsive. Okay, this one too is okay, and this one, see, as you can see, it's still okay. Let's check this one, and that is still okay. Let's check. Okay, this one, let me see. I think we need to work on this. Here is too wide, so we can now click there again, or click here again, and go back here. We want to check that, and we'll make it like 100. Let's see. Okay, it's 100 too much. Okay, so let me make it like 90. 80. Okay, I think 80 is good. Okay, now 80 is good, and the text is too much for the size, so I can reduce that. I can click here and reduce, go to, that is subtitle here, and make it like 14 or 15. I can publish that. So I will go to this one and check, and I think it's okay. Go to mobile 2. I don't like the position. So mobile, you see there's a gap here. We will have to remove it. So let's click here again. Let's come back here, and we can put 0 here, or we can uncheck that just to remove that. Okay, so what can we do? For mobile, I want to center that, so let's come back here and I will center that. Okay, good. And I want to create a space on top here, so I'll come back here and then you uncheck this, okay, and put about 70 on top there. Okay, good. So we have create pattern on top here, and that's 70. So it's now looking good on mobile. Let's come back here. Good. So you see, when you look at this one, we have a button here. Let's do that. So I will click here, locate the button and drop it here. Okay, good. That's good. So what do we do? What does the button says? It says get in touch. So we will click here, get in touch. Okay, so after that, we can just here where we have the link here, you can delete the hash and enter contacts. It will pull up the contact page, then you select it. So we have linked this button to the contact page. Okay, let me publish that. So if I come here and click here, it will open the contact page, and I don't want to do that. So let's come back. We want to style it to look more beautiful. So let's go to star. So under star, this is what we are going to do. The color is yellow here, so we will select them here, yellow, and then text is going to be white. So it's already white, so we don't have to check. Oh, sorry. So it's white. That is good. And I can even make it a little bit bold, like 500. Okay, as you can see, it's look good now. Now let's go down here, border. Let's come back here to pattern here. I want to check that and make the top here 15, and then the bottom here 15, and here right 40, right 40. Good. Border radius, I'll make it 50 to have something like over. Okay, good. And box shadow, I'll click that, and here I'll make it like 5. I'll put 5 there. Let me make it 2, and here 2. Okay, good. You see, it's black. I don't want to have black. I want to add yellow. So I'll come back here, copy the yellow again. Also this, okay, copy the yellow again. So then I'll come back here, click there again, click here, and Control V to paste the yellow. Okay, see, we have the shadow yellow around it. Okay, you can here reduce it, the color. Okay, and it's okay. So I would then come here and publish that. So let's see. As you can see, we are having a great time here. You see, is it not looking good? I love it. Okay, good. So what else? Okay, so right now we are going to add these icons, and when I refresh the page, let's look at the way it moves. Okay, everything moves, but let me show you how to add these images and this one. Okay, good. So you can just go to Canva Pro. This time, let me close this. This time, the dimension that we are going to use is something like let me check this. Okay, I can't go there. You can even use 500 by 500. Okay, 500 by 500 or 300 by 300 will be okay. So let's see, 300 by 300. Okay, click that. So after that, we will come back here to element. You can just search for something like web design, so you get some icons like web design. Any of these is okay. So here you can click here to see more, and these are some of the design that we have. Okay, so this one I have it here, so, and that is this one. Okay, so you can just click that, you expand it here. I'm going to do only this one. Okay, so you have to be creative and do the rest. Okay, okay, good. So here we can just select the yellow. Oh, let me copy the original yellow. Okay, so we have this yellow color. Okay, so I'll click here and Control V to paste. Okay, after that, click here and go down, select downloads. Make sure you check the transparent background and proceed with the download. Okay, I have it, so I'm not going to do that. So as we are done with that, so that's what we are going to do. You drag the image we put the one image element here, don't worry. And this is what you're going to do. Click on that, click here, go back, locate let's locate this one. Okay, so just locate the icons and then add it. You see, it has been added. Don't worry, let's come back here and we can reposition it. Okay, let me see where this one is. It's at the back here, so we can reposition it. So we can click on that and click here, and to go to that side we can reduce the size. Okay, and I think the size is okay now. Okay, good. So I have that. Now let me save that. Okay, good. We can also add this another image here, down here, save image down here, and we can just click here, go here. Now we are going to locate the image, and that is this one, and add it. Okay, so I will select it. This time I will come back here. Let me see, let me click here and I will bring it. Let me see where this one is. It's at the front. Okay, so I will then select here so that it will be here. After that I will then reduce this one. Okay, so the size is okay. Hope you can see that. Let me publish that. But if you come here, you see nothing happens, no animation. So let's see how to change that. Okay, so let's come back here. First we'll start with this one. I want to move all of them, okay, together. So I would rather select this one, or I can just go with this one. Come to advanced here, go down here, you see emotion effects. When you click on that, then you see this. Okay, we have entrance animation, so click here and select fade up. You see, or we can just click here again and go to advanced. So I'm doing the same to the bottom. Okay, select the emotion effects and entrance animation, fade up. Okay, that's good. We can select this image again and also go down, go to advanced, motion effects, then we can entrance animation, fade up. You see, we can do the same to all. Okay, so do the remaining two. Okay, so let me go to advanced again, effects. This time I want this one to move from here to this direction. Okay, so entrance animation, I will just select it's at the right. Okay, so to the left, oh no, okay, let me make it right. Okay, so yeah, something of that sort is good. Okay, good. Let's come back here, select here, go to advanced again. Okay, so you go to emotion effects, entrance animation, let's see, go to, okay, so you can just leave it like that, or to right. Good, and save it. Now let's come back here, let's see the changes. You see the way it moves, and it's very, very nice. Okay, so far so good. You're doing great. I know you love what we are doing, and trust me, please kindly share the link, okay, in your WhatsApp platform, Facebook. That's the only way it will motivate me to do more. Okay, I just want to see more subscribers, more viewers, so that I'll be able to do more. Okay, so thank you. If you have already done that, then thank you once again. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so right now we are now going to look at how to add this one. Okay, this one. Okay, so first, you see we have some kind of yellow here. How did I do that? Let's come back here. So I will check this one again, and this time I'm going to do some magic here. I'm going to select the star, but first select here, select the star, go down here, you see shapes, click here, select the bottom one, click here. Let me go down here, let's check. Let me drag this one up. You see, so when you select that, you can just click the upper key to keep on changing the different design. Okay, you see we have different design here. Okay, so I want to, okay, we are not there yet. Okay, so I want to go with this one. Okay, and that is the curve. So after that, make sure you select invert. Okay, so so something of that sort. See, now after that, what do? You can just click bring to fonts, and we have color. We can add color here, so I can just click here and add a yellow color. Okay, and we are good. So click that. Okay, so we come back here and we have this. Okay, so right now we are now going to add this pattern. Okay, good. So what do? So first of all, let me look at it once again. Okay, so we have that. Okay, good. So I will then come here, select this, select the full one. Okay, good. After selecting the full one, I will then add. Okay, let's see, it has some division. Okay, good. So I will then come back here. So I will come back here, click here again, select this one container and drop it inside. Good. Now after that, click here, the edge here, and select this one. Okay. Now on the icon, click here again, select another container, drop it inside, and the third one you just added. Now just put a mouse on it. You see this, duplicate it. So you see now we have 3 division. Okay, but you see we have to change the color, okay, to this color. But we are going to select the second one. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, and this is the second one. Okay, and we have these small ones inside this one. Okay, good. So let's come back here and then select the color icon, click here, then let's select the color for that, and this is the color, select that, and it has been added. Okay, good. So after that, let's add the elements. Okay, that's why we're here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll select here, and after that I'll come back to, that is the star, select here and select here. This is what I'm going to make it transparent. Okay, yes, so which means that this one, it has no color. Okay, only the second one. Okay, the main one has no color. Okay, good. Don't worry, you understand it. Okay, so right now we want to put this one on top of this, but first let's add what all the things that we have here. So this is my number, so we need icon. So what icon do we need? We need that is icon box. This one, drop it inside, and this time let's see. Okay, so select the star, and here site here. Okay, good. See, we have that. Good. Let's see, and that is okay. So this is what we are going to do. Let's change the colors. It's white. Okay, good. So let's come back here. Now here. Okay, let's come back here first, and we'll go to icon. It's white, and then this one, content, here is white, and this one too is white. Okay, good. So this is what we are going to do. I'll come back here and copy that. Okay, good. And that is the title. So the title here, you add that. Okay, good. And here the text here, we will add it under, that is the number under description. Okay, so I will delete that and add my number. Okay, good. So this one, the description, I will just increase. So let's go down here. So the description, I will just make it like big, like 50. Oh, 50 is too much. So okay, so 30, 27. Or I should make it like 30 crowd. Okay, 30 is okay. And this one, the title will be very small, and that is like 14 or 13. Okay, I think let's make it 15. Okay, good. And after that, we have a space. Let's see. click here. So click on the icon, and we have the icon. Let's see. Okay, let me go to icon here. So on the box, this one box, we have a space. Okay, this one is okay. So the 10, leave it as 10. Good. But this space, close it. Make it 0 to close that. Okay, good. And what can we do? I will click here and position this one. Select the center so that it will follow the center. So we have to change the icon. Come back here, click here. What is that? That is okay. So we have phone, enter phone. Okay, so you get mobile phone icon, select it, and here default make it this one. Okay, come back to star, and then we have icon space. Now click on the icon, size like 25, and let's see. And I think it's even too big. I think so. Okay, so let's make it like, okay, so mine is okay, so I'll make it 20. Okay, let's see. So that is cool. We are done. Okay, good. Okay, so let's see. Let me click here and go to content. Let's go to box, space. Okay, that one is okay. And then content spacing. Okay, that one is good. So I'll save it. Now this one, description, that's my number. I want to make it bold. Okay, so width, I'll go with 8. Good, so that it will be very bold. Okay, good. And when we come here, you see we are doing things here. Okay, it's looking amazing. Okay, let's come back here. What do we see? You see it has a curve. Okay, so let's do the same here. So I will click here, then go down, go to star, and let me close that. Go to border. So under border here, you just put a number there. Okay, so let's go with 20. Okay, 20 is okay. And let's see if it has, okay, it have a shadow, and we can click here to get a shadow, and the shadow I'll make it here 2, and here 2. Okay, good. I hope you don't have the shadow, there's no color, so that is okay. So right now we need to add the rest. Okay, this text, get in touch. So I'll come back here, click the plus icon here, locate the text editor, drop it, click here, then center it, click inside. I will paste this one here. Then after that, I will change the color to white. Okay, and that is good. Let's come back here again. What we have is a button, make appointment. So I'll come back here, click here, locate button, drop it inside, select here, make it center align. Let's see, or we can even I will then click on it again, click here, and select the center. Okay, good. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. The color is what? White. Okay, so let's make it the button here, the color, background color is white, and then the text is black, or we can maintain this color, or let's maintain the deep color. Okay, I think it's the same color, so I will click here and make it like 7 deep, or like 6. Okay, so I will go for the light one, this one. Okay, good. Save it. So this is what we are going to do. Let's go down here, close that. Okay, let me click again, go down here, and then make an appointment. Let's add that first. So you write make appointments. Okay, good. So after that, I'll come to star and then go down here. I will uncheck that and make here like 17. The bottom here 17, and here like 50, and here to 50. So you see, it's very nice. So we want to achieve, like, let's see, it's over, right? Good. Then we will put 50 here at border radius. Okay, we can also add shadow, okay, to make it nice. So I will just add 2 and 2 here. I will save that, and now let's come back here. Is it not looking amazing? Okay, so I want to add a space around it. Okay, it's too close to both ends. Let's look at this one. You see there's enough space around it. So here I will click here, I'll select this one. Okay, then come to advanced. So uncheck this top, let me make it like 30, bottom 30. Okay, and then the sidebar, they both end here, I'll make it 20 and 20 here. Okay, good. So after that, this is what we're going to do. I will click here and then go to advanced. This margin, I will check that, put about 150 there. Okay, or let's say 100. Let me see, 100. Then we will put negative in front of the 100. So you see, it's now on top of it. So this is what we have to do. Click here again, click there again, and this is what we're going to do. Come back here. Well, let's go here, layout, and we have not here. So let's go to advanced, and you see we have Z index. So the Z index, let's put something like 10. So you see, it's now looking good. So let me publish that and come back here, and let's see the change. And it's nice. It's very good. It's looking great. Okay. I hope you love it. Okay. I think this one is too big. Don't know. Okay, so this one is too wide for me here, the yellow one. So we can reduce the yellow color. Okay, so we can just click here, go to the top and click here. Be careful you don't click here, because if you do, you delete it. So let's come back here and go to shape, bottom here. You see, so we can just reduce the height of it. Okay, so we have the height. So we can just reduce the height. See, I've done that. Okay, so just reduce the height. Okay, so let me save that, and now we have that. See, look at the way it moves. So it's now looking amazing. So we have achieved this. Okay, so far so good. It's now looking at where we are right now. We have already spent about 2 hours. Okay, and if you are to go by this, it will take a long time for us to complete this project work. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. The materials that you have downloaded, it contains a template, so we are going to use the template to continue. Okay, good. So let's come back here. Initially I wanted to complete it, okay, but this one will take, if care is not taken, it we will spend about 5 hours, okay, for that. So right now I just want us to continue with the template. Okay, good. So we are here. So this is what we are going to do. You will click here, this folder icon here, click the folder icon here. Okay, good, and come to templates. Good. So we don't have any template here. I do remember that initially I told you guys to, if you have not done that, make sure you do that. Okay, come to settings, Elementor settings, then make sure advanced, you select all, then you go down and save it. After that, then you go to here, the integration, this one, make sure you enable it. If yours is disabled, enable it and come down here and save it. Okay, if you have done that, then I don't have any problem. So sorry, let me delete this once again and go to here, and this time we are going to add a template. So as I said, let's go back. Let me click the eye icon again. So here we will click the folder icon here, then you come back to my template here. After that, you see select here. Okay, good. Now let's go back to our computer, the file that you downloaded. Okay, let's say if your file is at downloads, as mine is here, just click on that and you see templates. So open the template and you see all the template files. Okay, so you see we have home. Okay, so which means that we need to add the home. So I will just put this one somewhere, drag the home and drop it here. Continue. Okay, so you see it's successful. So I will just click insert, apply, and it will insert it for us. Okay, good. So as you can see, it has been added, but this part has been designed already. Okay, so we have already designed this part, so we don't have to keep this one and that anymore. Okay, so you see this one is being repeated because this is the one we designed from the initial stage, and this is the one we just added. Okay, so I can just click here. Oh, come on, let's wait. I can just, you can even go ahead and publish it. Okay, so we are back. Okay, so make sure you publish it. Okay, then come down here. As I said earlier, we need to delete it. So first we will delete this one. Okay, good. And after that, we need to delete. Okay, so let's look at something. Click here, because if care is not taken, we will delete. Okay, so this is the main one. Click here, and that is the second one. Okay, and this one we need to delete this one. Okay, so I will right click that and delete it. So it's now, so as you can see, it's gone. Okay, good. So we have deleted that. Okay, so right now let's come back here, click the third one. So the third one is this one. Okay, this one, this interface here, okay, is the third one. Okay, but as you can see, you see when I click here, you see that there's a gap. Let's wait. You see there's a white gap here. Okay, so which means that we need to click here and go back to advanced again. So this one is -66, so just increase it. Okay, increase it to about 8. Okay, I think 80 is fine. Let's click that and see. So as you can see, the white color is no more. Let's go back to this one and check, and this one is okay. Let's go back, and I think this one too is okay. Let's check this. This one, you see, we need to work on this one, so we will click here, bring it back, then let's reduce this one. Click on the number here, this first container, then come back here. We need to reduce the icon size and make it like 8 icon. Let me still reduce the icon. No, it's icon spacing. Okay, so let's go to icon. So the icon size, let's make it like 20. Let's see. Okay, 20. I think 20 is okay. Now let's click here. I will click here, this container, then here. Okay, center has been selected already, so click here again. This time let's go to content, and then the title is okay, but the description is very big. Let's make it 20. Okay, good. So now you see it's looking good. Okay, so let me remove that and check the button. The button too, I think I don't like it. Let me click here, go back here, let's see. Okay, so let me let me reduce, I will uncheck that, and here I will make it like 40, and here will be 40 left, and then here I'll make it like 15, and then the bottom here to 15. Okay, oh come on, this one is too much, so it's rather 1.5. Okay, I hope you can see that it's now okay. So let me save that. Let's come back here. You see it's very responsive, Good. Okay, and then let's go to mobile. Here there's a gap. Okay, so let's work on that. Okay, good. So this is what we are going to do. Let's click on the structure again. Now let's click on the second one, and that, and the third one. Okay, and then the fourth one. Okay, let's come back to this one. Okay, let's come back to that. Okay, so this is the container. Okay, so we have to pull this one up. Okay, yes, we need to do that. So select this one. You see it's now -256. Let's make it like 300, and let's see. So then put negative in front of it, but still not, there's still a space. So let's go down, let's see. Okay, good. Now -29 is okay according to my part here. Okay, good. What else can we do? You see this one is not well arranged, so I will click here and then come back here, make it center align. Okay, good. I think this one is okay, but this one, you see, is very close to this, and I don't like that. Okay, so we need to leave a space between that. So I will click here, and then I can decide to click this side inside. Click here. No, that is, so let's rather click here, come back here, go to pattern, then the bottom we will leave a space like 50. Okay, so as you can see, it's now okay. Good. So I can publish that. So to me here is okay. Now let's come back to the desktop. Good, and let me close that. So we are done with the hero session and its responsiveness. Okay, so let's come back here. This this color, this is not the color that we want, so let me click on the structure again and click here again. Oh no, I'm at the wrong place. Okay, then rather this one. Oh no. Okay, let me go down this one. So just keep on testing it, not the banner here, but rather this one. Okay, not that. Okay, so let's go down. I think it will be somewhere here. Okay, so this one, the color, let's go for the deep one. Okay, the one which, I mean, the same color as this one, because when you look at the sample site, this and this they have the same, the colors are the same. So you rather click here, then you change that. Okay, let me locate that. I think this one. Good. So you see, I have to publish that, and let me close this. So as you can see, it's now looking good. Now let's look at this one. Okay, good. So let's come back here, and this color is here. Good. The yellow, just that. Okay, so just click on that and click insert again to come. I'll publish that. Okay, let's go to the preview one, and let's see if, let me close this. Oh, why do we have this here? No problem, I know what to do. Okay, so we have to work on this. So let's come back here. You see there is some kind of a large space here. Yeah, I understand, I know what it means. So this is what we are going to do. So let's come back here, settings here, click that, go down, and here page layout, select Elementor full width, and then after that update it. Okay, so let's come back here and let's see. Okay, good. I hope you can see that it's now looking good. Okay, elevate this one. So that's, let's come back here and click that. Okay, so we have okay, so there is some kind of services here, okay, which is not showing. So I'll come here and then go down. That means, okay, this color, we have to select yellow for that. Okay, good. So you see it's now showing. Good. And let's look, let me look at this one. This one is yellow, so it's the icon is there, just that we can see. So click on that and come to star, select icon, then select the yellow color. So we can decide to copy and then paste the star, or just copy again, right click that and paste the star, right click here and paste the star, right click here and paste the star, update it. So you see, so far so good, we are doing great work, and as you can see, it's looking amazing. Okay, I hope you love it, and I already have everything, so everything is in place, so there's nothing to do more. Okay, we don't have anything to do again, so that's why good. So all that you need to do is to change the text and everything. Okay, here if you want to change that, just click that and change it. Okay, so everything is okay, so we are not going to just okay. Here you see, when you look at this one, so you can just compare the sample one here to complete your project. Okay, so when you look at here, the color is yellow. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Click here, go to star, now close that, go to shape, select the top one. Okay, and then over here you see the color here is, we have to go for the yellow color. Good. So and publish that. Let's go down, and the rest is okay. I think everything is looking amazing. Let me go down here and check the team members. The team members is okay. Yes, the team members is okay. So to work on the team members, look at this one. When I click on that, you see, look at the structure of the image. So just go to Canva. Okay, let me show you how to do that to see the way I have made it. So go come back to Canva. So just come back to Canva here, and let me show you something. The size is what, 300 by 300. So just create a custom size, 300 pixels by 300 pixels. Okay, then after that, let me show you what to do. So after that, come to element here, and you see over here we have these shapes. So the first one, circle, select that, drag it. Okay, just drag it, make sure it fits to the screen. Let me close it again. Good. So after that, then go back again and locate the element, that is the frame, this one, select that, then just put it on it. Let me see this one and look at this one. Okay, so you see, okay, good. So just put a frame on it like this, so we have that. Then after that, let me look at this one. Okay, after that, then you come to upload, add your image that you want to use. If let's say this one, just drag it and drop it, so you have that. Okay, so when you are trying to export it, make sure you select transparent background. Okay, and select compress. Okay, so that the size will be very small for you. Okay, so that's that. Okay, let me close that. And so far so good, we are here. Let me publish that. So we are done with the okay. Good. So we are done with everything. Okay, if you want to change the images, just click here, come back here, select the images, uncheck all of them, and upload your own images. You can click here to upload your own images, or you can even select from library here. Simple as that. After that, then you update it. Okay, so team members, you know how to go about it. Latest post. You see there is nothing here. When you look at this one, there's a post here. Okay, everything has been arranged for you. So all that you need to do is to create a post, and it will pop up here. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so let me go down here, let me go back here. I'm going to create a post, so I'll go to post, add new, okay. So here I can add number 1 web designer in Ghana. Okay, so after that, then I can write my blog. Without the guitar is the number 1 web designer in Ghana and in Africa, or write something like that. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so I will paste the content here. Okay, good. After that, you come to post. You have to select the post category. Okay, so you have to create the category. It's what? Web design. So I can select web design here. Okay, then you click enter. You see it has been added. Good. Then you have to add featured image. So click here, go to your website, then you add image. Make sure that the image size is okay, it's nice. Okay, so I want to use this one. I will just add that and click publish. But I'm not asking you to use the test to write a post, just example. Okay, good. So now I'm done with that. Let me go back and go to the front end. So let me go down here. Oh, the post did not show. Okay, let me see. Oh, why? Okay, let's come back here. Okay, so then I can decide to latest post is here. Okay, so I cannot see the other, I don't know, but let me enter post. Okay, go. So we have post tab, post contents. Okay, post list. No, that's not what we want. Okay, okay, so that is post. Okay, let me see this one. Let me check this. Okay, so you see it has been added nicely. So the number of row is 3 is okay. If you like, you can make it 4. And then post per page, let me make it 3. Post per page, I want to go with also 3. Okay, 3 is okay. And then after that, image, I will go with full so that it will look nice here. And then what else can I do? We have date and comments. Okay, so you see the date and comments. We can decide to remove that. Okay, then this one, except we can close it so that we will not see any text here. Okay, it will be only the image and the title. You can just keep it, but reduce this one to 20 so that it will be less here. Okay, good. So let me publish that. What else can we do? Let's go down here. Okay, so this one, let me select card. Let's see. No, I don't like the card. Full content. Oh no, let me go with the classic. The classic is okay. And then image position is the top. Okay, so I will select this one too. Oh, come on, I will select this. Good. And this one, the full one, is okay. What else can we do? Okay, read more, we have that. Read more is here. You can just maintain that. Okay, so let's come back here and let's see the change here. Okay, so this is the post. I think it's looking amazing. So let me come back here. I will then select that, go down or come to star. The star, what can we do here? I can decide to box, put a shadow on it. See, now we have a shadow. Good. Now it's okay. And after the shadow, after adding the shadow, then here border width. Okay, let me see. I can make it 50. Oh no, not this one, not this one. Okay, there are border radius. I can put the 20 here, not 50, rather 20. Okay, so you have something like that. And what else? I will click here. Let's come back to not advanced. Okay, so let's go down here, content, and then content. Let's see if we can add a space around it. Space. Okay, so let's see. Here you add like 10. Okay, and then down here 10, and there is another down here spacing 10. Okay, but still this one I thought I'll be able to leave a space between that, but it's not working. I don't know, but let's see. Okay, let me go to the box here. Maybe we'll find the answer over there. Okay, so here let's make it 10 on all the sides. Okay, so you see now the image is at the center, or we can uncheck that so that the top, we'll remove that, and then good from the top, then from the right too. Okay, good, so that it will look nice. Okay, and let me publish that. Okay, let's see. Okay, good, so I can publish that, come back here and refresh the page. Okay, to do it that automatically. So as you can see, good, it's now looking good. It's just that the picture, but it's good. Okay, so if you duplicate this thing, the post here, if you add more posts, all of them will appear there. So let me see if I can go to post or post, duplicate. Let me see if I can see duplicate here. Okay, duplicate. Okay, good. And so this is a copy. I can just go to quick and remove that and update that. Okay, oh, draft status, publish, then click update. Good, see, it's now okay. I can just duplicate it again because I don't want to repeat the content, like trying to write a, oh come on. So let me delete one. Okay, so this time I will go to quick again, remove the copied, then here make it publish and publish that. Okay, good. Let's come back here and refresh the page. You see, after adding 3 posts, is now well arranged. So it left the footer. Okay, good. So what else can we do? Everything is looking amazing here. I can just refresh the page and you see everything is moving perfect. Okay, so let's go to about section or about page, and we can also import that. So click here, because we have not first, before you edit your page, you have to first select edit page, okay, before you can edit with Elementor. Okay, good. So you click edit with Elementor, Okay, so over here, click the settings page here, go down, hide the title, page layout, Elementor full weight, then publish it. Okay, good. So now you can now click here again, go to my templates, then you have to click here, you locate the folder which contain okay, let me come back here. It's here, it's down here. Okay, so templates, and that is about. Okay, so I will just drag it and drop it here and add. Okay, so about has been added. Insert, apply. Okay, so right now everything, it has been added. Okay, so you don't have to do anything again. Okay, so let me publish that. Okay, so after that we can make some changes here. Okay, especially this one, this header. I think I did not use this color, I don't know, but if the color is okay, then you're good to go. So you can just select that, then locate and add it. Okay, see, it has been added, and here you can change everything here. So we are done with about you. Okay, so let me go back. Go back again. So we need to work on this one, so let's go to Elementor. Okay, so click on the settings again. You want to hide the title. Click on the settings, go down, start being okay. So just select Elementor full weight again and publish it. So if you okay, right now I can just go back. Okay, and publish it. So you see it's now looking amazing. Okay, very beautiful one. Okay, I love it. So that is all for now. We'll continue. Now we are done with the home page and about page. Okay, so right now the next page that we are going to look at, we are going to look at how to design is the services page. Okay, and this is service page. So right now I'll first close this. This is our sample site. Okay, that is enisto.feeder.com. So I will first click edit page. Okay, edit page first before I will select edit with Elementor. Okay, so we are here, we are going to go. Right now I will click the preview so that I'll be using this to monitor our progress. Now let's come back here. Let's go to settings and go down here, page, hide the title. Let's hide that. Page layout, Elementor full weight, and then we can publish it. Okay, so you see the title is gone, we don't have that. Now as we did, that is, we are going to import the template. So as usual, so let's go to the food icon here, my templates, upload. Now let's select templates from here, go to downloads. Okay, so my template is on this folder, and I will go to templates, and that is services page. Okay, so this is, let me locate the service. This is services. I will first drag this one to the side and pick the services and drop it. Okay, so I will check this so that next time I don't have to enter this again. Continue. Okay, so the services here, I will just insert, apply, and as we are waiting, let's go here and go to service page. Okay, so this is our service page. Okay, good, very simple. So let's go back again. Now it has been added, so we need to modify things. Okay, yes. Okay, so you see it's good. Let me see if okay, this is the sample one. Okay, this is the sample one, and okay, I think it's working now. Yes, it's working. It has been added. Good, and we can publish that. Okay, so over here I can change the text color and make it white. Okay, so that's to be it will look good. Okay, I think everything is okay. Everything is intact. Okay, good. Now let me show you something. This time I want to open it in a new tab and see if the pop-up menu, the pop-up will function here. Okay, so since we have not added the pop-up, let's go to them here. And okay, so I think we need to work on that again. So when I click here, the pop-up will not work, but let's go back here. We need to hide the title again, so let's click the settings icon here, go down here and click Elementor full weight again, and then after that we publish that, and this time we will not see this again. You see it's gone. Okay, good. Now we are done. Okay, so we have added this thing, that is the services page, and everything is looking nice. So we have to add a pop-up. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up. It's very simple, not all that difficult. So right now we will go back here. Let me click here. I think it's here, history, or you can decide to just enter. If you're using that is Windows, then you can just click Control E. Then you see this folder, then you enter dashboard. So the moment you enter dash, you see the dashboard here. Select that, it will take you to the dashboard. So we are going to add the pop-up. Okay, that is the pop-up. So to add a pop-up, put the mouse here on the template here, Elementor. See, we have Elementor template, and you can see we have pop-up here. Click that. Good. After that, it says import template or add new pop-up. Okay, we can import template. Okay, yes, since I have pop-up template, we can do that, or we can add new. Okay, to add new, okay, since we want things to be very fast for us, we will rather import the template. Click here. So we will go back to our computer, that is our folder, and locate, let me see. Okay, so I'm trying to locate the folder. Okay, I cannot see from here, so let me close that. So this is what we are going to do. Okay, we can just drag it and drop it here. Okay, that will be very nice. So let's come back here, and I think we have pop-up here. Okay, so drag it and drop it here and import. Okay, so it has been added. Very simple. The pop-up is here, so we can just let me see, we can just click here. Let me see if it's going to work. If not, then I will show you what to do. Okay, so it's not working. It's not a big deal, because I know from the beginning that it may not work. So let's click here. Okay, so this is our pop-up template. Okay, as you can see, and this is for web design services. Okay, something like that. Okay, If you want to design from scratch, you can just go ahead and design it. It's not a big deal. Okay, I can delete it and do it again, but I'll show you how to go about it. Okay, so for now, I think let's say everything is okay. Good. So now we have added a pop-up. We don't have to do anything again. Everything is okay here. Okay, good. So let's see. Let me show you something. Let me click here and see. So for now, everything is okay. Okay, everything is nice. Okay, so I will then close that. Let's go back. Let's go back. I can decide to click Control again, Control E, and enter services. Okay, services, and I can go to services page here. Okay, so now we are here. Let's come back here. This is web design. You want to add a pop-up, click the button here, come back here. You see pop-up is here. Okay, so let me cancel that, so we can just click here. You can click on this and then you locate pop-up. Okay, you see we have pop-up here. Click that. So after selecting pop-up, let me show you something. You just have to come here. You click on that, then wait, you search. So over here at pop-up, or let's enter web design. Okay, yeah, web design, next to template pop-up. First let's go back to the pop-up template from here. Okay, so the pop-up, let's go to pop-up, and then the title is what? Ernesto Web Agency pop-up. Okay, good. So we have to select this is the pop-up, and then come here. For my mouse, I think the battery. Okay, and publish that. So after that, we can decide to go back to the front page, go to services, and then we can click here, and then it will pop up like that. You see, isn't that beautiful? I know you like it. Good, and I love it too. The pop-up is working fine. Okay, now I have only added to web design. So if you want to add to the SEO, it's very simple. Okay, you have to create a new pop-up. Okay, you have to create a new pop-up, but don't worry, I'm not going to show you how to create a pop-up from that is a new template for pop-up from scratch. Okay, as soon as I drop this video, within a day, the next day I will drop another video on how to create a pop-up. Okay, and I will add a link below this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I will advise you to do so that as soon as I drop the next video on how to create a template for pop-up, you'll be able to get access and complete your project. Okay, don't worry, I don't want this video or this tutorial to be too long. Okay, so now we are done with the services page. Let's move on to portfolio. So let's go to portfolio, and now portfolio to edit page. So here I will close this one, and so edit with Elementor, and let's look at our sample site. Let's go to portfolio and let's see. Okay, so this is our portfolio section. Good. So let's come back here as usual. Okay, go to settings, go down here, hide the title, Elementor full width, then click publish. So then what do? We go to here, my templates, click here to add new, locate your template, and this is portfolio. I will drag it and drop it here. Good. So that is the portfolio. Insert, apply, and it has been added. So Good. And I love this one. Okay, so right now, to make sure that things are okay, come back here again and make sure that here is Elementor full weight again and update it. Okay, when you look at the sample one, here is yellow. If you want to maintain that, click here, come back here, go down, go to shape divider and change this one to yellow, and you achieve that. Okay, so if you want to change this, if this, I know these pop-up are not yours. Okay, so in case if you want to add your own, just click here, come back here and click here, delete all of them and add your own. Okay, simple as that. So I will come back here, let me click the eye icon. Right now I don't have to do anything, I'm done. Okay, very simple, I'm done. So we are done. Now our next is to go back. Yes, we have to go to the next page, and the next page is what? Let me see. Okay, so the next page is blog. Okay, we will come back. I think we need to work on that. Okay, so we will work on that, but not here. So let's move on to contacts, and we will go to edit page, edit with Elementor. Okay, so over here, settings, then we will go down here, hide the title, Elementor full weight, update. Okay, so let's come back here, click the folder icon, and that is, we need to click here, select the folder again, contacts. So this is our contact. I will drop it here, and then you locate the contact. Where is the contact? There is the contact. Insert, apply. Okay, so it's added. Very simple as that. So I can click publish. I can click publish, or we need to make sure that everything is okay. So come back here again, go down, select full weight, and then we can click publish. Okay, so I can just come back here and go to contacts, and everything is fine here. Okay, good, love it. So I think, hey, let me check it again. I think one of them, this one is not showing, so I think I need to check the color. Okay, good, come back here, so we can add our color. Let's make it this one. Okay, this one. Okay, good. So I can publish that. Good. And come back here and refresh the page. So we now have that. Okay, and it's okay. So yes, so far so good. We are done with the, we're also done with the contact. So left with the blog page, and we can do it at the front end here. So over here, I will just enter Control E just to go to the dashboard. Okay, good. So I'm going to show you how to add that is how to redesign the blog page here. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Come back here, let's put the mouse on the template, team builder, click on that. Okay, so over here you see we have so many templates that we can customize. Okay, so let's go to that is archive here, and we can see we have that is posts, single post, single page. So post here, we can click here. Okay, so after that, let's close this, close that, and this is what we are going to do here. You don't have to do anything. Okay, so let's do something. Let's go back to the folder again, my templates, click here, then let's come back here again, and locate that is the post archive. This one, post AR. Okay, that's the post archive. Very lazy guy. Okay, it has been added, and let me see. Okay, this is the Elementor archive. Let's insert that. Apply. Okay, as you can see, okay, so right now come back here and let us click here again. Okay, so first let me publish that. Add condition or archive. Okay, so that is a post archive. So just select, I want to go for post archive. Okay, not all archives, rather post archives. Okay, so save and close. Okay, and let's see. I think the post content are not here. No problem, I can change the text here. So what I need to do is go to star and change the color to white. Okay, and this one I can also change the color, and let's see, change the color to, no, come back to star, and we will go for the deep one, this one. Okay, and publish that. Okay, so we need to add a post, so I'll come here, search for post. Okay, so rather I will go with, let's see, post tab, no, post list, post content. Okay, so that is the archive post. Let me drag this one here, and as you can see, it has been added. Okay, so you have to redesign it like we did the font one. Okay, so you have to make sure that here I'll go with the full one, so you have to make sure that things are okay. So column is 3 is okay, or if you like, go with the 4. How many column with this one? Okay, let's check from here. So here is 4 column. Okay, good. So what else? I can just publish that. And what else? Okay, let's go down here. I will go with 20. Okay, and then post title. Okay, and this one I will remove, or this one, the comments. Okay, the comments from there I will just remove them. Okay, and the dates, I don't want to show the comment and the date here. Okay, and save that. What else? I think here is let's go with the numbers. Okay, I think there is advanced here. It's okay. Okay, so let's go to style. You're now going to style it. Okay, the row gaps is okay, but then let's make it like 10. Okay, good. And then what else? And border radius, you can make it like 20 border radius. Okay, here I don't want to add a shadow. Image content, the content, the title, we can change the color. Okay, you can make it black, I think little bit something deep. Okay, and then this one is so important, except let's go with this one. Okay, so that's, and then we have read more. The read more, I want to go with the yellow one. Okay, okay, so what else? The rest is okay. So read more, let's come back here. Let me see. So let's see. Okay, there's a classic for top. Okay, so to me, good. So everything is here. You're good to go. You can just design everything the way you want. Okay, so I can just save that. Right now it's too close to here, so I will click here and come back here. The pattern here on top here, I will leave 50. Okay, good. Let me come back here and refresh the page. Okay, this one. Okay, good. Refresh the page. Now as you can see, it's now looking good. Okay, looking beautiful. We can even add the, what do you call it, let's see. Let's see if I can see. Okay, so border radius is 20. Let me click here and see. You see we have the radius. Can publish that. Okay, so now come back here and refresh the page, and I think it's looking good. Okay, so if you like it, if you don't like the 4 columns, you can make it like 3. Let's see the 3. Let's check the 3, and let me refresh the page here. I think the 3 is also nice. Okay, so far so good. We are done with the all the pages, importing all the pages. What is left is that is here, the footer. Okay, now look at this one. It's not looking good at all, but this one is looking great. Okay, and I think you love it. So let's come back here. Let's go back. So we are going back to the dashboard. Good. Okay, over here we can work on the footer. You see we have footer here. Okay, if for some reason you're not here, let me show you how we were able to get there. Go to templates and then team builder here, then you see footer. Okay, let's say you see footer here, so click that, then you can then go and click add new. So after that, you will go to here, or we can decide to click here, and then we are going to locate the footer. Where is the footer? So the footer. Okay, so let's see. This is the footer. Drag it and drop it here. Okay, so let's see. This is the footer. So I can just click here to apply. Okay, so it has been added. So as you can see, okay, good. Here we are. I think I love it. Okay. So we have to make some change here. Why? Okay, so here, don't worry, you can just select. Oh, we don't have a form here. Don't worry. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. So here we can click here. The icon, we can just go for yellow. After that, we will then copy that and paste the star. So you can change this one to, this one can be mobile or something like that. Okay. Okay, so that is telephone. Okay, then you can enter your mobile number here. So that is +233 245 152 But you can add another one. Okay, if you don't want it, if you don't want the number to continue, you can just bring this CSS, that is less than BR, then greater than. Then after that, you can add another number, that is +555 597787287282. So you see, okay, instead of, because of this, it will not continue here, it will come under that. So let's save that. You can click that, entire website is okay, and save it. Okay, good. So let's with this. To do that, let's go back to dashboard, or if not, we can click Ctrl E and go to dashboard. So over here we will go to dashboard, and here we are going to build a new WP form. So you come here, locate add new, okay, so let's go. Okay, good. So we are going to select this one, template this one, so use this template. Okay, so we are here. Let's see, click here. The first name format, we will make it simple. Okay, so that we have it as one. Okay, good. What else can we do? Okay, here Let's see. Okay, so I want to go to advanced. I'm still here. I want to go to advanced and then hide the label. Okay, this one I want to hide that, and then you see we have the placeholder. I'll rather enter the name there, okay, and save it. So here too I will do the same. I will come to advanced and then I will hide the label, and then here we'll enter email. I'll do the same to this one too. Come to advanced, hide, and here you enter comment slash message. Good. So after that we can go to save and we are good to go. So we are done for now. Okay, yes, so we can go back to our dashboard. So just go back, click back again, click back again. Okay, so we will go to front end, and we can just put a mouse on the Elementor here, and we can select footer to edit the footer. Okay, so now we are here. When you look at this one, the color is different. Okay, let me see if it's the same as the top one. I think it's the same thing. Okay, and then okay, so let's come back here and we are going to change that. So click here, come here, and then you select this. You go for this one. Okay, but we will not maintain this. I just want to click here and bring it down deep so that it will be different from the other color, because that's the footer. Let's come back here. This one is okay. So this one too, let's see. Okay, so first let me save that and check it from here. So let me refresh the page and let's go down. See, I think this one is okay. So right now I just want to add the WP form. Click here. So when you click on it, you'll be able to select the form, and we want to hide. Okay, so it's good. Description, everything is okay. The settings is done. So you see only the button that we need to work on that. So you come to star, go down, submit button, and here we can style it. Okay, background. So background, we will go for this one, and then hover with the yellow. Okay, so let's see. Good, I can publish that and we are good to go. So let me refresh the page. Okay, good. So you see guys, we are done. Let me come back to the whole page. Good, so we have done all the settings that you need. Okay, now don't worry, our next video I'm going to show you the SEO settings that you can do on your website, how to create Google My Business or Google listing. Now let me show you something. Radar, I will enter radar, the guitar here, the guitars, and click enter. You see this is my Google profile and it's a verified one. Okay, oh come on. So you see this, that's a Google account, and you can see my reviews. Okay, that is reviews, everything. Or you can just, you see, because I've already logged in, all these are my content. Okay, and it's looking amazing. Okay, good. So if you want, so how many reviews? That is 11 reviews on Google. Okay, yes, and that's it. So I will show you how to design this. That is a way of helping you to creating this. It will help you to get contracts from different countries. Okay, it will help you a lot, and I will show you how to do everything step by step. You see, 189 customers interaction. Okay, 189 customers interaction. So I've been getting calls from Google through from people through this Google listing. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that. So as I said, you have to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any opportunity. I'm going to show you an easy way to make money, and this is one of them. Okay, good. This channel is about how to make money online. Okay, good. and let's move on. So everything is fine. Then what we need to do right now is, you see, when you look at this one, it says, when you look here, it says my blog. Okay, we need to change that. It's not my blog. And this, the template, everything is responsive, so you don't have to worry. Okay, it's very, very responsive. As you can see, it's very, very responsive. Okay, good. So everything is fine here. Now let's click here. Let me Control E and go to dashboard. I'm going to show you something that you need to do. So let's go to dashboard. Okay, so let's go to settings here. For SEO, purpose of SEO here, make sure you enter your website name. So it can be, let's say, Iridai. I want to go with it like Iridai Digitals, then slash web design. Ghana. Okay, so yeah, this is very, very important. And here you have to take your time, then you write a nice description, okay, for your website. Okay, something catchy. Okay, so it's something that when someone sees it, it will push the person to click on your link. Okay, so I'm not going to go through that, but you need to put something catching here. Okay, so you save that. You see now it's no more blog, rather even here when I refresh the page, you will not see my blog again. It's now Iridai Digitals. And what else? There's one thing that you need to do. No, you see here we have something like group. Okay, something here. This one is different. It's yellow. We can change that. Go to customize. Then here you can go down. Let's see, site identity. So here you can click, then you select site identity. Right now I can just go with this, just create something nice. You see, look at this, skip cropping, and now I have that. I can save that, and now you see it has changed. So I can go back here and refresh the page. So far so good. We are done with the tutorials. If you love what we just, or that we have done so far, I will please advise you to share this video, share the link on your social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, help others to discover this channel so that they will be able to also learn from that. Okay, and one thing, you see, this is the only way that motivates us. If I say that you guys are watching the videos, it also motivates me, it will encourage me to do more. What I mean is, it will encourage me to record more videos, to add more stuff. Okay, but if you guys are not watching it, there was the sense of going through stress, working at the middle of the night trying to create this amazing such an amazing video. So if you love it, if you like it, just leave comments, and I'll see you later in our next video. As I said, I'll be showing you how to create a pop-up, okay, from scratch, and other stuff is about to follow through this tutorial. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.